Welcome to Carpentry Exploratory Course. I'm your mentor, Hector P. Villareal. Module number 11, Maintain Tools and Equipment. Objective, check conditions of tools and equipment. Classify tools and equipment. Maintain condition of tools and equipment. Let's review. Request appropriate materials and tools according to the prepared list and accomplish the list of materials needed for a specific job. Comply with the procedures in preparing bill of materials. Introduction. The lesson is to expose the learners on an exploratory course which leads to Carpentry National Certificate Level 2 or NC2. It covers Grade 8 Technology and Livelihood Education for TLE students to observe, check, and maintain the conditions of tools and equipment. Perform basic preventive maintenance and storage of tools and equipment. Definition of terms. Finishing materials. Chemical or substance applied in finishing carpentry. Hardware. Metal supplies used in furniture. Inventory. The accounting of tools and materials. Label refers to the indicated name of tools and equipment. Lubricants, oil or grease which is used to help the machine to run smoothly. Mensuration, the art of measuring. Perimeter, the bounding line or curve of a plane area. Power tools, handy machines operated by current or electricity. Scaler, marked for use in measurement. Segregate, set aside things from the others. Standard, serve as a measure of preference. Stock, refers to a lumber for a certain carpentry jobs store to put tools and materials in their proper places. Substrate, wood to be cut in a cutting machine. Performance standard. Tools and equipment are identified according to classification, specification, and job requirements. Non-functional tools and equipment are segregated and labeled according to classification. Safety of tools and equipment are observed in accordance with manufacturer's instruction. Conditions of PPE are checked in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. Materials and resources. Lubricants. Paintbrush. Cloth. Smooth sandpaper. Kerosene. Pre-test. Let us determine how much you already know about checking condition of tools and equipment. Classify the different types of tools and materials. 1. Claw hammer. 2. Bar clamp. 3. Spoke shade. 4. Steel square. 5. Backsaw. 6. Push-pull rule. 7. Compass. 8. Triangular file. 9. Varnish. 10. Hinge. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer. Timer starts now. Answer the following questions honestly. Last 1 minute. 30 seconds. Time is up. Let's check your answers. Answer key. Number 1, driving tool. Number 2, holding tool. Number 3, edge cutting tool. Number 4, measuring tool. Number 5, tooth cutting tool. Number 6, measuring tool. Number 7, marking or lining tool. Number 8, miscellaneous. Number 9, finishing material. Number 10, miscellaneous. Let's identify the different tools and materials that are described in each item. Number 1 and 2, tool used for smoothing surfaces. 3, tool used for drawing arcs and circles. 4 and 5, tool used for testing squareness of a large stocks. 6, tool used to hold bits when boring. 7 and 8, material used to lubricate movable parts. 9, tool used to cut stock along the grain. 10, tool used for sharpening saws. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer. Timer starts now. Answer the following question honestly. Last 1 minute. Okay, stop writing. Time is up. Let's check your answers. Number 1 and 2, tool used for smoothing surfaces, jack plane and smooth plane. Number 3, tool used for drawing arcs and circles, compass. Number 4 and 5, tool used for testing squareness of a large stack, tri-square and steel square. Number 6, tool used to hold bits when boring, electric drill or drill. Number 7 and 8, material used to lubricate movable parts, oil, grease. Number 9, tool used to cut stock along the grain, ripsaw. Number 10, tool used for sharpening saws, file. If you got that all correct, very good. Classification of hand tools. Measuring tool. Pull-push rule. Flexible tape that slides into a material case and it is used to measure irregular and regular shapes. Ruler. 12-inch or 1-foot rule, and it is used to make simple measurements. Meter stick, used to measure a workpiece. Tri-square, squaring, measuring, and testing tool used to check adjacent surfaces for squareness. Caliper, used to transfer measurements from the rule to the work. Marking and lining tools, pencil, used to lay out or mark cutting lines. Marking gauge, wood or metal, tool consists of a beam, head, and a point used to mark a line parallel to the grain of the wood. Chalk line, used to establish a straight line on a surface. Divider, tool with two metal legs used to lay out arc, circle, or step of division on a line. Compass, used to scribe arcs and circle in a metal wood. Let's keep in mind the two classifications of hand tools are measuring and marking or lining tools. Valuing. We should properly clean, lubricate, and store tools and equipment to save time and money. Our reference is K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, Technology and Livelihood Education Learning Module, Exploratory course for grade 7 and 8.
Goodbye, learners. Thank you for watching. See you again.
Thank you, learners. See you next meeting.